Good morning, children. Welcome back to our EVS class. Hope you all have received your notebooks and busy in doing your notebook work. Okay, now this is the chapter A Busy Month. First of all, written Bal Mandir, Bhavnagar, 13th April 1936. Okay, dear children, now this is the letter that has been written. Let me read this point. Jiju Bhai Bedheka lived in Gujarat. He wrote many stories for children. So, Jiju Bhai is a writer who wrote many stories or many things, many knowledgeable things for children. So, here is a letter from Jiju Bhai. Okay, in this letter, you will read about some of the birds that you have seen all around you. So Jiju Bhai has written a letter for you all, and in this letter he has explained about the world of the birds. So after reading this letter, or after at the end of this chapter, you all will be able to observe the birds around you, and you may be discuss about them in your pair group. Okay, children, so this is all we have. This is the letter from Jiju Bhai. So let's read what he wants to inform us, or what the explanation he would like to um, give us related with the birds. So, dear children, it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, 3 o'clock. There are no clouds in the sky. The sky is clear and the sun is burning hot. So, the sun is all burning hot at 3 o'clock. The sparrow. Okay, सब आप जानते होंगे birds को. Sparrows, doves and sunbirds have started working in pairs as they prepare to make their nest. So Jiju Bhai is informing us that these three of the birds, they are working hard in pairs to prepare their nest. Okay, children. So some of the birds have already made their nest. कुछ चिड़ियों ने या कुछ बर्ड्स ने अपने घोंसलों को पहले से ही बना लिया है. Some of the birds have already made their nest in some of the nest. The eggs have hatched. Okay, now what is this? The eggs have hatched. The birds they must have given the eggs in the nest, and now they have been hatched. The parents birds are busy feeding the chicks with different kinds of insects and other things. So the small babies were out of their eggs, and they were now the parents, the birds, those who are parents, they are busy in feeding their चीक्स. वो छोटे छोटे जो बच्चे हैं, ये पेरेंट्स बर्ड्स जो हैं उनको खिलाने में छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स, कीड़े मकोड़े, दाने, दे यूज टू ब्रिंग फ्रॉम हियर एंड देयर, एंड देन दे कलेक्ट फ्रॉम इन देयर बीक्स एंड यूज टू ब्रिंग फॉर देम, एंड द हेल्प ऑफ द बीक्स दे एंटर देम in their mouth. So this way the parents are busy in feeding their young ones. In other courtyard also there is a baby dove. Okay, now the writer is explaining us कि एक दूसरे आंगन में, दूसरे मैदान में baby dove है. Dove is also kind of bird. There is another egg in the nest, but it has not hatched yet. अभी नेस्ट में और भी अंडे हैं, बट अभी तक वो हैच नहीं हुए, उनको हैचिंग नहीं की गई है. मीन्स द बेबीज आर नॉट आउट ऑफ द एग्स. Now the next page. On the way to Gopal Bhai's house, there are many stones along the roadside. जब गोपाल भाई का घर पड़ता है या हम जाते हैं तो रास्ते में बहुत से पत्थर पड़ते. इन द स्पेस बिटवीन दीज स्टोन्स एन इंडियन रॉबिन हैज़ लेड इट्स एग. और इन पत्थरों के बीच जो स्टोन्स हैं उसमें इंडियन रॉबिन ने क्या दे रखे हैं? अंडे दे रखे हैं. बच्चू भाई शोड इट टू मी. बच्चू भाई ने मुझे दिखाया. आई लुक्ड थ्रू द बाइनोक्यूलर्स. I saw that the nest was made up of grass. Now here बच्चू भाई ने जब मुझे दिखाया कि आखिर किस चीज़ से नेस्ट बने होते हैं, तो मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया दैट द नेक्स्ट आर बीइंग मेड अप ऑफ ग्रास. ऑन टॉप देयर वर सॉफ्ट ट्विग्स. ट्विग्स मीन्स चिल्ड्रन, वो जो छोटे छोटे लकड़ियों के ऐसे पड़े होते हैं, पेड़ों से निकल निकल के लकड़ियाँ जो पड़ी होती हैं, दे आर नोन एज ट्विग्स. Roots, wool, hair and cotton wool. This is how robin makes its nest. So again I am repeating how the birds made their nest. They made their nest with the help of twigs, roots, wool, hair and cotton wool. This is how the robin makes its nest, with a soft and cozy home for its chicks. How beautiful the nature is. See, the parents are making a beautiful, comfortable and cozy nest for their young ones. The robin is not like the crow. Okay, here the Indian robin. You can see the picture of the Indian robin. Okay, and here is the crow. So Indian robin and the crow, they are not similar with each other. They are quite different with each other. Okay, robin makes its nest. What a soft and cozy home for its chicks. The robin is not like the crow. Okay, children, the crow's nest is made up of all kinds of things, even the pieces of wire and wood. So when the crows makes its nest, वो क्या use करता है? थोड़े थोड़े वायर भी वो यूज़ कर सकता है अपने नेस्ट को बनाने में. I saw a baby bird in the robin nest. So आई ऑब्जर्व, द राइटर इज सेइंग कि मैं छोटे से बेबी रॉबिन को उसके घोंसले में देख पा रहा हूँ. सी हियर द पिक्चर ऑफ बाबेट एंड द कोयल. इट वॉज सिटिंग विद इट्स बीक वाइड ओपन. सो इन द नेस्ट द रॉबिन, बेबी रॉबिन वॉज सिटिंग और अपने मुंह को खोले हुए था. द माउथ वॉज रेड फ्रॉम इट्स साइड. वॉट द कलर ऑफ द माउथ? इट वॉज रेड. इन अ लिटिल वाइल द रॉबिन फ्लू टू द नेस्ट एंड पुट समथिंग इन द चीक्स ओपन बीक. थोड़ी देर में ऑब्जर्व करता हूँ कि उसकी जो मदर रॉबिन है वो उड़ के जाती है और थोड़ी देर के बाद व्हेन ही यूज्ड टू रिटर्न, तो उसके मुंह में वो कुछ लाके इंसेक्ट्स या कोई भी दूसरी चीज़ डालती है. बाय देन इट वॉज इवनिंग. तब तक शाम हो चुकी थी. द रॉबिन सेटल्ड डाउन विथ इट्स चिक. अब रॉबिन जो है वो बर्ड शाम होते होते अपने बेबी के साथ सेटल हो जाती है नेस्ट में. नाउ ही इज़ नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर. You know that the koels sing sweetly. Yes, we all know that the koels love to sing sweetly. Do you know that the bird does not make its own nest? See how good information has been given, or the fact that the koel does not make its own nest. It lays its egg in the crow's nest. कोयल जो होती है वो अपने अंडे नहीं, कोयल जो होती है डज नॉट मेक्स इट्स ओन नेस्ट, अपना घोंसला नहीं बनाती, और वो कौवों के घोंसले में ही यूज टू ले हिट्स एग. द क्रो हैच देम अलॉन्ग विथ इट्स ओन एग्स. एंड क्रो, सी हाउ सिंपल द क्रो इज नॉट नोइंग दैट द कोयल हैज़ गिवन द एग्स. वो अपने बच्चों की हैचिंग के साथ अपने एग्स की, कोयल की भी हैचिंग कर देता है. So there is a small tree nearby. It has a nest hanging from its branch. Okay, what the thing he has observed, that कि पेड़ पर के एक branch पर कोई nest है जो कि hang है. It is not there. It is not kept on the branch of a tree, but it is hanging on the branch of the tree. Birds are so wonderfully different. See how beautiful the world of birds, their homes, their nest. The dove makes its nest among the thorns of a cactus plant or a mehendi hedge. So the dove bird used to make its nest कहाँ बनाती है? मेहंदी के हेज में बना लेती है, और जहाँ पर या तो फिर कांटेदार झाड़ियों में बनाती. स्पैरो कैन बी फाउंड इन ऑल अराउंड इन अवर हाउसेस. स्पैरो जो होती है वो हमारे घरों में भी बना सकती है अपना नेस्ट. इट मेक्स इट्स नेस्ट एनीवेयर. ओके, नाउ सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल टेलर बर्ड एंड मेकिंग द नेस्ट विद 2 leaves joining with each other. Okay, this is the tailor bird. See, weaving bird weave कर रही है. See, the sunbird is there. So many of the birds has been explained in this page, children. Okay, let me read and you just have a look. On top of the cupboard, sparrow जो होती है, कोई भी घर में एक छोटी सेफ जगह देख के वहाँ पर अपना घर बना लेती है। पिजन्स ऑल्सो मेक देयर नेस्ट लाइक दिस। पिजन्स भी तुम लोग ने देखा होगा कभी घर के आसपास जो थोड़ा सा खाली घर होता है वो वहाँ पर और या तो पुरानी किसी बिल्डिंग में अपने नेस्ट को बना लेते हैं। बारबेट और कॉपर स्मिथ बर्ड कैन बी हर्ड इन द समर विथ इट्स टुक 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 कॉल। ओके, now what is the quality of this kind of bird? Coppersmith and barbet. वो समर्स में हम सुन सकते हैं कि वो लकड़ी पर या लकड़ी के ब्रांच ट्री के ब्रांचेस के तने में टुक 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 अपनी बीक से उस पर मार के अपना घोंसला बनाती है. It makes its nest in a hole in a tree trunk. And the tailor bird uses its sharp beak to stitch together two leaves on a bush. And see the tailor bird, as you are watching watching this picture, he used to weave the leaves with its beak. It lay its egg in the fold of the leaves that has been made. This is its nest. और ये उसका घर होता है रहने के लिए. Now let's know about the sunbird. Sunbird कैसे अपना घोंसला बनाती? The sunbird makes a nest that hangs from the branches from a small tree or a bush. सनबर्ड का जो नेस्ट होता है वो हैंगिंग पोजीशन में होता है. द सेम इवनिंग वी सॉ अ सनबर्ड्स नेस्ट. कैन यू गेस what's its nest is made up of? हमें वो बता रहा है राइटर कि उसका नेस्ट किस चीज़ से बना हुआ था. यस, with the help of the hair, grass, thin twigs, dry leaves, cotton wool, bits of tree, bark, pieces of cloth, rags, and even spiders, cobweb. Yes, children. ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें वो जोड़ के अपना घर बनाते हैं. When I looked through the binoculars, I could see a cheek in the nest. It was sitting near the small opening in the nest. It was waiting for its mother to bring some food. What else can it do? Just eat and sleep. So the writer is amazed and a very wonderful experience about the birds' cheeks that they used to feed by their parents, and what their work is just to eat and have a good and cozy sleep. Now, there is a fact after Koyal bird about the weaver bird. The male weaver bird make beautifully woven nest. Okay, now the male weaver bird has the duty to make the nest. The female looks at all the nest and chooses the one that she likes. Now फीमेल बर्ड क्या करती है? वीवर बर्ड वो चूज करती है. आफ्टर मेकिंग 4 or 5 then the female used to choose the best one. And then she liked the best and decides in which to lay her eggs. फिर कौन से घोंसले में वो रहेगी? And then she used to lay the eggs. Okay, children? So all the birds are so busy these days making a nest and laying the eggs in only the first step. So this is all the birds about, that they are making the nest and they are laying their eggs and they are feeding their young ones. It is a difficult task to raise the young ones. Yes, of course, children, छोटे बच्चों को बड़ा करना तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. But see how beautiful these birds are. They are doing their duty and they are paying their responsibilities. Okay, children? So birds have many enemies. इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद दे ऑल्सो हैव देयर एनिमीज. उनके भी दुश्मन होते हैं. ऑल ऑफ देम वेट फॉर अ चांस. enemies, humans and other animals too. So the enemies are, उनके कौन से दुश्मन होते हैं? Even we humans and the other animals too. Crows and squirrels, cats and rats, all of them wait for a chance to steal the eggs. Okay. Many times they even break the nest. बहुत बार उनके nest को तोड़ भी दिया जाता है. To keep oneself safe from danger, to find food, make a nest, hatch the eggs and raise the chicks safely. All these are tests for every bird. Now listen this line carefully, children, कि अपना घोंसला बनाना, अपने बच्चों को बड़ा करना, उनको फीड कराना, उनको सेफली रखना, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत मुश्किलों से फेस करती हैं ये सारी birds. And see how the birds still sing with joy and spread their wings and fly freely. So, children, there is a moral behind this कि after facing lots and lots of problems and difficulties, still the birds keep on singing and spreading joy to us, and gives us the message that though we are facing many difficulties, then also we will fly and we will sing a song. So, this is all in this video, children. We will discuss the questions in the next video. Till then, I just want you to complete this book work. I am sending you the book work. So, you have to complete this book pages till here. So, later on, we will continue this chapter from page number 132. Okay, make a picture of the nest in your notebook. Okay, you can do the practice of a nest in your notebook. Till here we are going I'm sending you the PDF to complete your work. So next video I'm going to teach you from this page number 132. Okay, we will know many things about the birds, their beaks, their claws. Okay, children, till then be happy and be safe.